Hi, this is Vanjo Santos, once again, property consultant of DMCI Group. So right now, I'm here in Sonora Garden Residences. So finally, na-turn over na yung first building, which is Cadence Building. So as you can see, sa paligid ko, may mga ginagawa pa construction dito. Di pa siya tapos since itong project na to, meron siyang tatlong building. So right now, ito pa lang building Cadence Tower. Tour ko kayo. Papakita ko sa inyo yung 1 bedroom, 2 bedroom, and 3 bedroom model unit. At the same time, yung mga amenities na nakikita yung screen nyo ngayon. So these are the amenities. So napakaganda po na ambience dito, tahimik. At the same time, syempre, sa pinaka-selling point ito is doon lang yung Robinson's Place Mall. As you can see, ayun, Robinson's Department Store. So very easy access lang siya papunta sa Robinson's Place. So, ayun po. So tara! So right now I'm here at the roof deck of Sonora Garden Residences. So safe to say na ito yung pinakamataas na building dito sa Las Piñas. So standing tallest here sa South, particularly sa Las Piñas City. As you can see, wala siyang obstruction. So very clear ang view, lahat ng mga gusto nyo makita. Actually halos buong Las Piñas at nakita na dito. As well as Alabang, of course, since katabi lang ng Las Piñas yung Alabang. And Parañaque. So ayan po. I think this Manila Bay, hindi ako magkakamali, dito Manila Bay view. Sa kabila naman of course is Laguna de Bay, sa bandang Alabang area. So right now, I'm here in the second floor. So the second floor is the atrium floor. So atrium, yung mga atrium floor, premium floor tinatawag. So yung atrium floor, premium floor is yung floors na may atrium garden. So at the same time, dito yung may mga tinatawag na sky patios or yung large windows na makikita nyo sa mga DMCA projects. So again, sa mga hindi ko nakakaalam, ang purpose ko na sky patio is like this. So, nagbibigay ng natural air ventilation and sunlight sa mga units at the same time sa floors. So, ayan po. Yun yung technology ng DMCA Homes na naka-patent. So, exclusive sa DMCA Homes yung ganung technology. Sa taas naman po, dyan naman po yung mga typical floors. Ito po yung mga typical floors. So, ngayon punta naman tayo sa mga model units. So, particularly sa 1 bedroom, 2 bedroom, and 3 bedroom. So, tara! So, right, ipapakita ko po sa inyo yung 1 bedroom model unit. Actually, bare to. So, expect nyo upon delivery, ganito magiging itsura ng unit nyo. So, di po siya fully furnished. So, again, bare po siya. So, by the way, ano pala ito? 28 square meters na 1 bedroom. Ayan, so magpasok na ito talaga yung kitchen. So, ito inclusive na to, itong granite finish na kitchen countertop as usual sa mga DMCA projects na kasama na siya. And then itong mga kitchen cabinets. Then ito po yung toilet and bathroom. So upon delivery, expect na ganyan po yung magiging itsura ng toilet and bathroom. And this is quite spacious bedroom. Actually, we're not going to space. Ayan. And then the access sa balcony. So normally, ang balcony dito sa mga one bedrooms around 4 square meters. So, I think half space naman siya. Ayan. So this, again, this is the one bedroom model unit. And this time, I'll show you the 2-bedroom model unit. So again, it's built ulit po siya just like 1 bedroom. So it's a 56 square meters na 2-bedroom. So actually, typical DMCI layout. So, ayan po. So, tara, pasok po tayo. So, pasok po natin, actually, ideally, dito yung, dito yung living area. Ayan. So, you can imagine, pwede yung lagay dito yung sofa, yung television. So, it's up to you kung ano gusto yung interior. Pero dyan po talaga designated yung living area. And then, of course, ito yung kitchen area. So you can see, ito po, again, may inclusive na po na granite finish na kitchen countertop. And of course, yung cabinets. Ayan. May provision na rin for range food. And this is the very spacious toilet and bathroom ng DMCI sa mga 2 bedrooms. So ayan. Ayan. Very spacious po siya, as you can see. So marami din pwedeng gawin dito na interior design. So it's up to you. And then, of course, hindi ko pwedeng palipasin itong laundry area. So ayan, hindi ko na basta cabinet na. Kung binuksan niya siya, provision siya for laundry. So ayan, for floor to ceiling po siya. And then, let's proceed to the smaller bedroom. It's 2-bedroom to. Of course, na smaller bedroom. Ito po yung bedroom 2. Pwede yung lagyan ng cabinets. It's up to you kung pwede gusto yung mong gawin dito. Ayan. Itong bedroom 2, wala po siyang access sa balcony. So, pero meron po siyang window. Ayan. Ang may access po sa balcony is itong master's bedroom or bedroom 1. Of course, this is more spacious than bedroom 2. This is the master's bedroom. Ito po yung may access sa balcony. Pakita ko sa yung balcony. Actually, for this unit layout, may square meter yung balcony. Ayan, so, napaka-spacious po niya. Ayan. Maganda po ng view dito sa amin. So basically, this is the 2-bedroom layout in Sonora Garden Residences. Ayan po. So finally, I'm excited to show you the 3-bedroom model unit. Actually, ito yung naiiba sa tatlo pala, sorry. Ito kasi fully furnished siya. So, papakita ko sa inyo yung spacious 3-bedroom. For me, sobrang value for money to kasi spacious na siya. At the same time, very competitive yung price niya. So, napakagandang unit po nito. Actually, itong 3-bedroom na ito is 3-bedroom end unit A. So, of course, since end unit siya, dalawa yung balcony nito. May naman 81.50 square meters po siya. So, gano'n siya ka-spacious. So, ayan po, napakaganda po. Pagpasok nyo, this is the dining area. Ayan. And this is the living area. So, itong living area, ito yung may access sa smaller balcony. Sobrang, actually, ganda ng pagkaka-design nitong balcony na to. Galing na idea nila. As you can see, ayan po. Pwede niyong gayahin siya. Ayan. So I think around 4 square meters to, roughly estimate pa ganun po. And then, ito po tayo dito sa side na to. This is the kitchen area. Yeah, since 3-bedroom siya, of course, mas spacious yung kitchen. Ayan. Ito yung provision for range food. Ayan po. So meron na po siya, nakalagay na po siya. And then ito po yung sa refrigerator, yung portion ng unit ito for refrigerator. Ayan po. Makikita niyo may design na siya na I think kasha kayo mas malaking refrigerator dito, mas mataas pa ng konti. And ayun po. And then, actually, itong unit na to, meron itong, I think, 2 toilet and bathroom. So ito po yung first toilet na dito sa may living area. So ayun po, toilet and bathroom. then just like 2-bedroom unit, meron din siyang provision for laundry. So ayan, yan may washing machine na. So ayan po. So, pwede nyo siyang lagyan din ng ibang mga stuffs. It's up to you. Ayan. And then this is the, since 3-bedroom siya of course, 3-bedroom dito. Ito yung smallest bedroom. So ideally kung may anak po kayo, dito po sila. Ayan. And this is the, I think ito yung 2nd bedroom pero ginawa siyang office. So ganda actually, ganda ng idea na ginawa nila dito. Kung ako yung magkakaroon ng ganitong 3-bedroom, ganito rin gusto kong gawin, magkakaroon ng office space, yung mini office space. So ayan po. So window type aircon nakalagay dito by the way. Ayan. Okay, ganda ng window dito. So imagine sa higher floor, ganda ng view nila. Ayan. So finally, napakita ko po sa inyo yung master's bedroom. So this is the master's bedroom na may toilet and bathroom na sarili. Ayan. Pakita ko po sa inyo yung toilet and bathroom. Ayan. This is the toilet and bathroom. And of course, itong master's bedroom, meron din siyang access sa balcony. So this is the balcony. Again, I think it's 8 square meters din. Ayan. Para sa 2-bedroom din. So ayan. Ganda rin na idea ginawa dito. Meron table and chair na nilagay dito. Ayan. So I hope you liked the project and thank you so much for watching my YouTube video. For more updates, please don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel. Again, this is Banjo Santos, property consultant of DMCI Homes, and let me guide you home.